Today we are going to look at how do you compare numbers, or how do you see which number is greater and which number is of less value. Let's look at our question. Earth is not perfectly round. The North Pole is 6,356 kilometers from Earth's center. The equator is 6,378 kilometers from the center. Which is closer to Earth's center, the North Pole or the equator? Go ahead and underline the question. Which is closer to the Earth's center, the North Pole or the equator? Let's circle what we know. The North Pole is 6,356 kilometers from the Earth's center, and the equator is 6,378 kilometers from the center. Step 1. We are going to write the numbers lining up the places. Begin at the left and compare. We always begin at the left because that will be the greatest digit. Make sure you line up the places so they are even with their place value. If we look at the digit in the thousands place, they both have the same digit. They both have a 6. Step 2. Now we're going to look at the next digit and compare the hundreds. In the hundreds place, both numbers have a 3. For our third step, we are going to compare the tens place. This is the first place where the digits are different, and it happens to be in the tens place. In the number 6,356, there is a 5 in the tens place. And in the number 6,378, there is a 7 in the tens place. If we look over here, 7 tens is greater than 5 tens. Therefore, 6,356 is less than 6,378. The North Pole is closer than the equator to the Earth's center. In convince me, is a whole number with 4 digits always greater than or less than a whole number with 3 digits? Explain. If we have a whole number with 4 digits, let's say we have 1,542. And then we have a whole number with 3 digits, we can say we have 999. Which one do you think would be greater? The number with 4 digits is always going to be greater than the number with 3 digits because it has a digit in the thousands place, where in the number with 3 digits, the greatest digit is in the hundreds place. Let's do the guided practice together. Please remember to write in your book as I am writing on this video. Number 1. Which place do you use to compare the numbers 60,618 and 60,647? If we look at both numbers, the first digit that is different going from the left would be in the tens place. In 60,618, we have a 1 in the tens place. And in 60,647, we have a 4 in the tens place. So the answer to this question is we would compare the digits in the tens place. Number 2, Marco has a total area of 442,300 square kilometers. Utskibin has a total area of 447,400 square kilometers. Use the greater than, less than, or equal to sign to compare the two areas. Looking at these two numbers, the first place that would be different going from the left would be the thousands place. We have a 2 in 442,300 and a 7 in 447,400. Since the 2 is less than 7, 442,300 is less than 447,400. Look at problems 3 through 7. If you feel confident on doing these on your own, go ahead and do them. Underline the digit where you're going to compare the numbers, and place a greater than, equal, or less than sign in each circle. If you do not feel confident, you may do them along with me. In number 3, we have 2,643 and 2,643. Since both of these digits are the same in all of the place values, these two numbers are equal. On number 4, we have 62,519 and 64,582. The first digit that is different would be in our thousands place. We have a 2 and a 4. Since the 4 is greater than the 2, we will place the less than sign, pointing at the smaller number, which is 62,519. Number 5 says 218,701 and 118,692. In this problem, the digit that we are going to compare is in the hundred thousands place. Since 2 is greater than 1, we are going to place the greater than sign, pointing at the smaller number. In number 6, both digits say 32,467, so we are going to place an equal sign. And in the last problem, we have 19,218 and 1,921. Since the first number has 5 digits and the second number has 4 digits, the first number is going to be greater than the second one. Go ahead and do numbers 8 through 13. Make sure you underline the digit that you're going to use to compare the numbers. Also, continue doing numbers 14 through 18. Write which place to use when comparing the numbers. You can underline it and then next to it write what place it is. You may use your place value chart. When you are finished with all 18 problems, please come and show me.